Bring home the festive glow this Diwali with our beautiful range of paper lanterns. Let's take a look at some stunning options to brighten up your celebrations. First, we have the classic Diwali hanging paper lantern available at just 150 Indian rupees per piece. With its intricate design and festive colors, this lantern adds a touch of elegance and tradition decor. Next, check out the KE2301 Diwali paper hanging lantern, priced at 175 Indian rupees. This design is perfect for those looking for something a little extra, a bold statement piece that stands out. Looking for something friendly yet eye-catching? Our Diwali decorative lantern is an excellent choice at only 70 Indian rupees per piece. It's simple, vibrant, and perfect for any Diwali setup. Whether you're decorating or gifting to friends and family, there's a lantern here for every budget and style. Find these unique Diwali lanterns and many more at amazing. To explore more festive options, click on the links provided. Get ready to light up your Diwali with these beautiful lanterns and spread joy all around.